Hubert.
Hi, Bella.
Are there any plans for today?
I've got big plans for today. I'm gonna spend the whole day at the gym.
Well, that sounds exciting. Can I come with you?
Yes, you can come with me. We're gonna have lots of fun.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
All right.
Things are gonna get messy. Okay, maybe it wasn't ice cream. All right. And this. We can do this. Just have to lose 30 pounds in the next 8 hours.
What? Are you okay? Oh my god, he's dying! Call 911!
What's the number?
Really? What's the number?
Oh my god, what happened? Hey, are you feeling okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
Live!
Come on.